guys, welcome back to I Bet You Didn't Know. Did you know that snakes can help predict earthquakes? My name is Amna and here are 10 amazing facts I bet you didn't know about the Aztecs. Let's go! The Aztecs lived in the Valley of Mexico, where they built a civilization based on agriculture and sacrifice. The people of Aztec were originally known as Mexica, but later the Europeans began calling them the Aztecs. The burial process of the Aztecs was quite spooky. They would bury their deceased under the houses that they lived in during their lives. The Aztecs would sacrifice their own children during a dry spell because their tears were believed to bring rainfall. The Aztecs are not only known for being bloodthirsty warriors who fought ferociously, but also for sacrificing hundreds of their own people. Slavery was very common among the Aztecs. The poor would sell themselves and their children to get money or to pay off their debts. Despite the sacrifices and the slavery, the Aztecs had some forward views as well. They were one of the first civilizations to make education compulsory for all children. The Aztecs were also known for playing games. One of their most famous games includes taking a rubber ball through a hoop. Do you recognize a game like that? The Aztecs worshipped many gods. All their gods were for different things that they prayed for. They had many agricultural gods because of their extreme reliance on agriculture. Many factors played a role in the end of the Aztec Empire. This included the many sacrifices that they made, their defeat in a battle against the Spanish, but possibly the most fatal reason was the increasing spread of the disease that is smallpox. So, which of these facts did you know? If you have anything to add, do comment and let us know. Stay tuned for a bunch of new things I bet you didn't know.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com